What is up, guys? It's LS7 Devin, and this is the Speed Beast YouTube channel. And today we are going to be changing the rear differential fluid on my 2007 C6 ZO6. The parts you're going to need for this, or the tools you're going to need, is you're going to need a ratchet. What you're going to need is a 10mm hex head socket. You could pick this tool up at Harbor Freight for really cheap. Next, you're going to need some rags. You're going to need a transfer pump. You're going to need some new diff fluid. I chose this because I like Motul, and they've been proven to be like the best. And they use it at Isle of Man and all the big races. And it's expensive. It makes you go fast. It's good race sauce. And then you'll need an oil pan to drain it in. So basically what I've determined is that is the fill hole, and this is the drain part, drain hole. It's got like a drain clip. There's a little clip right there that you could see. I'm probably not going to be able to show you me actually taking it out. I'm going to try using needle nose. I'm going to try using snap ring pliers, and I'm going to try using a screwdriver. I'm going to try and loosen it without breaking it, because I don't want to have to replace this little clip, so don't bend it too much. And yeah, let's get started. But first, we're going to take out the fill hole, which is right there. I was able to dip my finger in there and I got fluid, so that's where the level starts. So we have the right hole. And then make sure you keep this washer in place. Next, we're gonna get this bottom clip.
The trick to getting the bottom clip is you just insert the screwdriver, lightly just take it out. Just put it in there and twist it and take it out. You don't need to grab two screwdrivers and try and like separate it. Just really gently. If you're using a lot of force, you're doing it wrong. It should gently come out. So yeah, guys, try not to lose your retaining clip like I did. Try and hold on to it when you pry it off with the screwdriver. This is what it looks like. There's a picture on the screen right now, and I'm putting the part number there in case you guys lose it. Just go to the Chevy dealership, ask for that part number at parts, and they'll get it replaced for you. But try not to lose it like me. And for this line, all you do is pull straight down and it should come out. You might have to use a screwdriver or a little mini pry bar to pry it straight down just to help it get started. And then once it starts flowing a little bit, you'll notice you have to fully take it out. So just pull it straight all the way down and then more will flow out. And then we're gonna let this drain until it stops draining. Now here for the final part, all we're going to do is pump it using this cheap Amazon pump I bought. As you can see, I'm struggling with this thing because it didn't work really good. I'd suggest getting a high quality one. It'd make the job a lot easier because the lines kept squeezing if you really look closely instead of pumping the fluid through. And that gave me a pretty big problem here. But yeah, I just pumped 3 of these in there until it started pouring out. Then all you really got to do is take the car for a test drive and do figure eights, like driving in a figure eight, and then check the level again, and you're pretty much good. Top it off if necessary. But as you can see, it's pouring out now. And then just put your drain plug back in with that 10mm hex head socket. Well, boys, that's all I really got for this one. Just make sure that the oil cooler line clicks into place, and then you slide the snap ring in the correct way. And then all you really got to do is take your car for a drive and drive in like figure eight a couple times, like make a figure eight like this, like an 8. And that's how, so the fluid can work in all the clutch plates and the limited slip diff. And then just jack your car up and top it off until it starts pouring out again, and you're good to go. But just take it easy till you top it off again, and you should be good. And that's all I got for this one. If you found this educational or learned something, or you like this video, please smash subscribe. Later.